What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Josh, and as you can tell by the thumbnail of this video, we got new shoes on the whip. So I'm actually really loving these new wheels. So before we get started, right now we're heading over to a favorite spot of mine overlooking the city to get some photos. Hopefully the weather holds up. It's supposed to be nice and sunny today. It's looking a little cloudy, so hopefully it kind of works out perfect. So before I get started, I want to say thank you very much. Huge shout out. I'm so appreciative of Kies Motorsports. Once again, Cliff has helped me out above and beyond. It's kind of funny looking back. He helped me out with my very first modification to this car with the Beamer Tech rear view camera. Cliff helped me out all through email and helped me do that entire thing by myself, really, but all with his help. So huge shout out to Cliff. I'll drop his Instagram handle right here. And he's been super helpful. I mean, I was able to talk to him about the charge pipe a few months back. We just got a new intercooler a couple days ago, and Cliff helped me as well put on the new wheels. So I also met Gary, who also helped out with mounting of the new wheels. So I appreciate you guys. Big shout out to Kies Motorsports. If you're in New Jersey, you definitely have to check out Kies, because it really just becomes the type of thing where when it comes to taking your car to get worked on, excuse me, it really just becomes the type of thing where when you're taking the car to get worked on, you know, Kies has, you know, a competitive advantage in the game of, you know, mechanics and working on cars. I mean, they do mostly modifications and, like, you know, performance upgrades, but they have this element of transparency, which not most car places have. So, I mean, when you take your car to them, you know you can trust them, because as you're getting your car worked on, as you're getting your car done, you can watch videos on YouTube of what they're doing as they're doing it. So you know for a fact they know what they're doing, you know they're trustworthy, you know they're reliable. So that simple element of transparency is what sets them apart to any other shop, really. There's one other shop in New Jersey that I would trust in my car, but I would take it to Kies Motorsports first over everything. So I appreciate you guys. Cliff, Gary, I didn't get to see Brian at the last trip, but I appreciate you guys. I will most certainly be back. Cliff knows there's a few more performance upgrades en route, on plans, on the agenda, so I'm definitely super excited. So yeah, right now we're heading over to a spot overlooking the city underneath the bridge. Gonna get some good pictures, so yeah, I'll catch up with you when we're over there. So as I'm driving, we're almost there, about 10-15 minutes out from the spot. I posted a bunch of pictures of this spot on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me. I'll drop my handle right here. Post daily pictures. I got a lot of cool stuff, you know, in the vault right now. So right now, I got all the cameras out ready to play. We got the vlogging camera right here that I'm talking to right now, so that is an EOS M3, if anyone who's wondering. And from, you know, a good recommendation from Justin Bice, who is pretty much, you know, one of my inspirations with YouTubing and being a YouTuber and shooting cars, and YouTube channel is phenomenal, leading the way in the BMW community with Kies right behind him. He recently had bought the EOS R, and I had asked him about it on one of his videos, and he said word for word, it's the best purchase I've ever made. So that was on my goals for 2020, to, you know, earn that camera, to go out and buy one. It's definitely not cheap, but, you know, for something along the lines of investing in myself and wanting to take my photography and, you know, my shooting to the next level, I can say this camera is a game changer. Like, you can just see immediately how, like, your photos are just so much better. So with this camera, immediately I could tell, literally I would take raw images with the EOS R and I would compare them to my edited images on the M3. And the EOS M3 was a really good starting camera. I really enjoyed it. I'm still using it to this day. It's the vlogging camera, but I can see a massive difference in just the raw image compared to the EOS M3. It's night and day. It's crazy. So I always kind of figured it really wasn't the camera. You know, it was the person using the camera was going to get the good images or not, whether, you know, you have the right lighting, the right time of day. I mean, there's so many different factors that come into photography that, you know, I'm learning as you go. But for something like this camera, it is well worth, I'm not even going to say how much it is, because it's way too much camera for me, but, you know, it's a work in progress, and I'm really glad I bought it. But also, we have the gimbal out to play as well. So I have a Xenon Crane M2 for the gimbal, so all the toys are ready to play. I'm going to have some fun, get some good footage for you guys, and I'm really excited. to reveal the new wheels. Alright, so as you guys can see from the little cinematic I just made, I love that spot. It is beautiful. It is just, the spot is just perfect. I really love that spot. And just a little bit of cloudy with a little bit of sun. It was literally perfect. So I'll throw up some pictures here, and there as well that I took. Successful shoot today. Gonna go shoot as well with a friend of mine now. I'm super excited. So yeah, I got a few more things on the agenda coming. Like I mentioned previously, I'll be back at Kies. I have some footage from when we installed the intercooler. I don't know. I'll fit that in somewhere maybe. But yeah, like I said, we'll be going back to Kies very soon. So yeah, this was the wheel reveal. I got a couple more things coming. Pretty much the exterior is done, really, nowadays. The interior, I got the new screen, the cover for the steering wheel, the interior for the Alcantara and the shifter, the carbon fiber. I'm pretty much done the interior and done the exterior. So pretty much all now is performance. So yeah, like I said, I got a few more things coming. I just gave you a hint, it's performance. So comment down below, take a guess at what's next. Whew! It's a crazy thing in this car. This build is almost done. But yeah, so we'll be at Kies Motorsports very soon. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. So if you've made it this far, good for you. I appreciate that. I seriously thank you guys for watching. If you're making it this far, I got a little treat for you guys. I'm about to go meet up with my good friend Mitch. I think he has his family, his grandma's member's car. I don't know whose car it is, but whoever it is, they got an Alpine White 4 Series, so I'm going to go meet up with him, hopefully get some pictures together of both cars, so that's definitely a little treat for you guys. I'm excited just to have a little switching up on the content. So yeah, I'm going to go meet up with him now, and I'll see you guys over there.